Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to automatically back up WhatsApp media to your Google Drive. So let's just dive right in and get started. So we can start by opening up WhatsApp and we can start by enabling visibility. For that, look out for the three dot in the top, tap on it and select the option of settings and go to the chat settings from here. Now within chat settings, I'll ensure this option of media visibility is turned on. You can turn this option on. What it will do is it will make WhatsApp media appear in your phone's gallery. Apart from that, you can just go over and set up auto download, which is optional but recommended. So within your settings itself, go to storage and data. And from here under media auto download section, here you can look out for option for choosing to Wi-Fi or cellular. You can select it and you can select up the photos, audio, video, etc. and tap on OK. And that should auto download received media when you are connected to a cellular data or Wi-Fi connection. And that's it. Apart from that, what you may do is you can go to the three dot at the top and again access your settings and look out for chats option. And within chats, you can look out for chat backup option and tap on it. And when you head over here, usually you should be finding your Google account, which might be linked to your Google Drive account. So you just need to toggle that switch on and you can just go over and tap on this backup option available right here and back it up using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can just go over and turn it on to initiate the first automatic backup. And that is also how you back up WhatsApp media to your Google Drive. Usually these are some of the methods you can follow up to go ahead and back up WhatsApp media to your Google Drive, everybody. So we hope this video was helpful. You can follow up these steps. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.